Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can filter items according to their colors, their styles, their the packs that they came from. So I bought a chair for this desk and I want it to either be green, blue, or yellow or orange. Filter items, go to colors, and then pick the colors that you want. Then you can also select what pack you want it from, maybe like Discover University, or maybe you just want it to be custom content only. I'm just going to press the checkmark button and I'm going to browse through these chairs. You can also select styles as well here. Maybe you want it to be like cute and it's going to show you some cute chairs. Maybe you want it to be contemporary. So I'm just going to scroll down until I find one that I like. Maybe this one. Or maybe this one. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.